to another episode of How to Make Your Mustang into a Challenger. Alright, so step one, gotta get a pool noodle. Gotta make sure it's yellow. Walmart does not sell yellow. Remember that, Walmart does not sell yellow. We tried. You gotta go to Target, $1.99. Step two, measure your pool noodle. Okay? Got this nice little Pittsburgh free tape measure. So, 55 inches. Half 55 inches is 27 inches. Find 27 inches. Get your bronze Sharpie. Mark 27 inches. Alright. Now you need to cut it in half. You're going to have to find yourself a cutting tool. And then chop away. Don't chop your Sharpie, because that'd be bad. Alright. Once it's cut in half, you got to cut it this way. Got to get yourself another cutting tool. Alright, so you got to get yourself a precision cutting tool. The rustier the better. Now what you need to do, see this? Cut it right down the middle. Right down the middle. Don't cut your finger. Cut it right down the middle. Alright, let's get started. Just like that. Then you flip it around. Keep cutting. Make sure you get it straight, not crooked like I did. Alright, set that down. Make sure it's separated. And do the next one. Alright, now you got to install your pool noodles. So you go over to your Mustang. See the slit that we cut? Yep, that's right. It's going to go right here. Push that slit all the way around. Just like that. And right there, folks, you got yourself a Challenger. Alrighty, folks, so if you want to save yourself over $70 from buying the Dodge ones, $1.99, Target. See y'all next time. Like and subscribe. Make sure you like and subscribe because that's kind of important.